Hey guys, welcome to ukeguide. In this lesson, I'll be teaching you the latest sensation from Himesh Reshammiya, TERI MERI KAHANI, which has also featured Ranu Mondal, and the song has become a smash hit. So I received lots of requests for this song, and if you're excited to learn it, take out your uke, tune it in standard tune, and let's start with the lesson. So guys, to play this song you should know 4 chords, and these chords are chord A minor, chord C, chord G and chord F. Now once you're through with chords, let's jump into the strumming section. So this song uses a very easy strumming pattern, and the pattern is down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so if you play it on a particular chord like chord A minor, it should sound like this. So it's a very slow tempo song, and I'm sure with all these chords and strumming pattern you would be able to learn it pretty soon. Now we'll be playing this song in original scale, so we'll be placing our capo on 2nd fret like this. Alright, and then we can play the chords in normal way. So let me just grab my phone and search this song on YouTube. So I'm just searching this song on YouTube. Yeah, so I will be using this song as a background track, and then we're gonna play all the chords, every detail along with the original track, and I'm sure that will give you a good learning experience. So let's start playing the song.